Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in Windows 11. So if you want to change language on Windows 11 to your native language or any language you prefer, this quick tutorial I'll show you the easy hack to get Windows fully translated, including menus, settings, and even your apps. So first you can open your settings by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard, and then go to the time and language settings. In here you can just click on the language and region options and tap on add a language in here, and then you can just search for the one you want. You can go with Spanish, Hindi, Arabic, French, or anything. So let's say I'm going to just go with Bahasa Indonesia. In here you can click on the language and then you can click on next and tap on install. And just wait until the installation process is finished. And once it's installed, Windows may ask you to sign out to apply the changes. You can just click on sign out now and then log back in. So after that, your Windows 11 interface is now in your chosen language. So if your language isn't showing fully, you can go back to the language settings and then click on Windows Display Language. Choose your preferred language again, and then you can also check for language pack updates under the Windows Update. Okay, this one here, you can click on the three dots icon and then click on move up to make it your preferred language. You can also change it in here. And that's it. You now have Windows 11 in your own language. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what language you switch to. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!